I used to spend 45 minutes daily managing my calendar. My AI agent now handles 95% of scheduling autonomously. It's saved me over 200 hours this year. The agent uses Claude with MCP to connect to Google Calendar, email, and Slack. It reads context from all three to make smart scheduling decisions based on my preferences. I'll walk through the exact code, setting up MCP servers for each integration, defining the agent's decision rules, and handling edge cases like time zone conflicts and priority overrides. The agent learns from your past scheduling patterns. It knows I prefer deep work mornings, no meetings after 4 p.m., and always need 15-minute buffers between calls. Live demo of the AI agent handling a week of scheduling requests, from email meeting requests to Slack coordination to automated prep node generation. Want the complete source code? GitHub link in the description. Subscribe for the AI agent building series covering email, CRM, and project management agents.